President Metsola, hi, do you have a minute?
Of course.
In a few days, hearings for the new European Commissioners will take place. Could you explain what these are?
Well, first of all, in June, millions of European citizens voted for who should represent them here as MEPs, members of the European Parliament, in the European Parliament. Now it's time to choose the members of the European Commission. One person nominated from each country, that means 27. We have already voted on the President of the European Commission. We have 26 more to interview. That is what we're going to be doing.
I see. So what happens exactly?
Well, we need to check the individual person's competence, ability. They have been tasked with a specific portfolio, be it environment, security, defense, the economy, competitiveness. All of these will need to be checked in accordance with their competence in each committee. So you will have approximately 3 hours to answer many questions from MEPs from different political groups, and then there will be an assessment on whether you've done a good job or not.
And what happens then?
So members of the European Parliament would then get together and discuss, sometimes vote, as to whether that candidate would have done a good job or not. If that candidate would have done a good job in the hearing, green light. If that candidate would not have done such a good job, then there could be additional questions, there could be an additional hearing, or there could be a request from the member states to nominate someone else.
So that's soon, right?
Starting on the 4th of November.
Sounds like it will be busy.
Yes, absolutely, it will be. I encourage you to watch and follow.